Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online English literature class and we have started with a new month from today, that is February 1st. Okay. Now children, one important information for you all, that from today we are going to do revision work, and this revision will you all have to do. Okay. Now last month in January we have completed with revision work which we have done for those children those who have not attended the classes, but now this revision is important for each one of you. Okay. And you all have to do this revision work in your revision notebooks daily, chapter wise, number wise. Okay. Now these revision exercises will be of the syllabus which will be coming in your final term examination. Okay. Final term में जो आपका एग्जाम आएगा वो रिविजन वर्क हम यहाँ पर कराएंगे. ओके. सो रिमेंबर दैट these revision exercises will be very important for you all. Okay. I hope you all have learnt because we have completed first part of revision, first revision of all the subjects, all the chapters in the last month, previous month. Now it's time for a second revision. Okay, for the month of February. And after these revision, after every 14 days of revision, we will be taking a revision test. Okay. So after 14th, from 15th you will be getting your revision test. So please make sure that you listen to each and every video very carefully, revision video very carefully, and complete all your revision work in your revision notebooks. Is that clear? So starting with today's work children, today we are going to do English literature revision number 1. I hope you must all have got your syllabus also. So according to your syllabus you can see that in English literature there are only 3 chapters coming, chapter 9, 10 and 11. 9th chapter and 10th chapter we are going to do today combined. Okay. And tomorrow we will be doing revision 2 of chapter number 11th. So 9th chapter was I Wish I Could Dance, and 10th chapter was the mouse and the lion and the mouse. Okay. So today we are going to do these revision of these 2 chapters. Is that clear? So are you all ready children? Now today first of all we are going to do the first exercise, that is of word meanings. So in this I have combined all the word meanings of both the chapters. Okay. So important word meanings I have given here. All the word meanings I have not given. I have selected some important word meanings and I have given here. Okay. So the first one is swing. SWING, swing. Its meaning is a type of dance. Dance का एक तरीका होता है swing. Clear? Second is tried to step. Okay? Tried to step meaning tried to do a dance step. Tried to do step मतलब एक डांस का कोई एक तरीका ट्राई करना. Okay? Now third is wandered off. Meaning is moved away slowly. When you move away slowly from a place or from anywhere, then that means you have wandered off. Okay. Coming to the 5th word, that is squash. SQUASH is squash. Meaning is crush something into a flat shape. किसी चीज को एक flat shape में crush करने को हम squash बोलते हैं. Clear? 6th word is hunters. Now who are hunters children? Meaning people who chase and kill wild animals. जो लोग वाइल्ड एनिमल्स का पीछा करके उनको मार देते हैं, शिकार करके उनको मार देते हैं, those people are known as hunters. So I hope this is clear. Now coming to the last sentence, a last word, that is the 7th word, tiniest. Clear? So the word tiniest means smallest in size, सबसे छोटा size में. Okay? Something which is very very small in size, that is known as tiniest. Clear to you all? I hope this exercise is clear to you all children. Once again I am repeating. Number 1, swing, meaning is a type of dance. Number 2, tried to step, meaning is tried to do a dance step. Number 3, wandered off, meaning is moved away slowly. Number 4 is frightened, that means afraid. Number 5 is squash, that means crush something into a flat shape. Number 6 is hunters, that means people who chase and kill wild animals. Tiniest, last word, that means smallest in size. So children, I hope all these word meanings are clear to you all, and this will be only a kind of revision for you all, a kind of recap for you all, because I hope many of you have learnt these word meanings from before only. Okay, so I hope this exercise is clear to you all. Now moving towards our next exercise, that is of fill in the blanks. Now children, coming to the next exercise, that is the B part of fill in the blanks. So again here both the 9th and 10th chapter fill in the blanks are combined here. So please listen to it carefully. First fill in the blank, all the dash in the zoo were happy. So in the zoo there are always animals in the zoo. So who were happy? Animals. All the animals in the zoo were happy. A-N-I-M-A-L-S is animals. Okay. Coming to the second part, polar bear saw some dash dancing. So polar bear ने किसको dance करते हुए देखा था? Cockatoos. So the word is C-O-C-K-A-T-O-O-S, that is cockatoos. Clear? Now coming to the third part, that is suddenly the animals started dash and dash. Animals ने पोलर बेयर का डांस देख के सडनली क्या स्टार्ट किया था? क्लैपिंग एंड चियरिंग. सो द फर्स्ट वर्ड दैट इज क्लैपिंग, स्पेलिंग इज C-L-A-P-P-I-N-G, क्लैपिंग, एंड द नेक्स्ट इज cheering, C-H-E-E-R-I-N-G, cheering. Coming to the fourth sentence, a large lion is fast dash under a tree. एक large lion एक tree के नीचे क्या था? सो रहा था. That he was in a fast asleep. So A-S-L-E-E-P is asleep. Coming to the fifth sentence, a tiny mouse jumps on the sleeping lion. एक छोटा सा माउस स्लीपिंग लायन के ऊपर जंप किया. So J-U-M-P-S is jumps. And the last sentence, some dash came to the forest in the morning. Some कौन लोग फॉरेस्ट में आए थे मॉर्निंग में? Hunters. And who are hunters? Who chase and kill wild animals. So the spelling of hunters is H-U-N-T-E-R-S, hunters. Clear to you all? So I hope the fill in the blanks of these two chapters are clear to you all. Once again I am repeating, listen to it carefully. First one, all the animals in the zoo were happy. Second, polar bear saw some cockatoos dancing. Third, suddenly the animals started clapping and cheering. Fourth, a large lion is fast asleep under a tree. Fifth is a tiny mouse jumps on the sleeping lion. And the last one is some hunters came to the forest in the morning. So I hope this exercise of fill in the blanks is clear to you all children. Now coming to the last exercise, that is question answers. Now children, coming to the last exercise, that is the C part, which is of question and answers. So again in this exercise, some question answers of 9th and 10th chapters are combined. So please listen to it carefully and then learn it also. Question number 1, which is, why did the little polar bear wish to dance? पोलर बेयर ने डांस के लिए क्यों विश किया था? सो द आंसर इज, लिटिल पोलर बेयर विश्ड टू डांस बिकॉज he saw all the animals in the zoo were dancing and he did not knew how to dance. उसने विश इसलिए किया था डांस के लिए बिकॉज उसको डांस नहीं आता था और बाकी सारे एनिमल्स को जू में डांस आता था एंड दे वर ऑल डांसिंग ऑल्सो. सो आई होप दिस आंसर इज क्लियर. Little polar bear wished to dance because he saw all the animals in the zoo were dancing and he did not knew how to dance. Now coming to the second question, what is the name of the dance which the cockatoos were dancing? Cockatoos जो dance कर रहे थे उस dance का name क्या था? The dance which cockatoos were doing was the head nod. Okay, spelling is H-E-A-D head and N-O-D nod. The dance which cockatoos were doing, it was the head nod dance. Clear? Now coming to the third question, why was lion angry? So the answer is, the lion was angry as the tiny mouse jumps on the sleeping lion. लायन एंग्री क्यों था? बिकॉज जो छोटा माउस था वो स्लीपिंग लायन के ऊपर कूद रहा था. ओके, सो दैट इज वाई ही वॉज एंग्री. सो द लायन वॉज एंग्री एज द टाइनी माउस जम्प्स ऑन द स्लीपिंग लायन. So children, I hope these 3 question answers are clear to you all. Before continuing with our 4th and 5th question, I would like to explain these questions once again. So please listen to it carefully. Question number 1, why did the little polar bear wish to dance? Little polar bear wished to dance because he saw all the animals in the zoo were dancing and he did not knew how to dance. Second question, what is the name of the dance which the cockatoos were dancing? So the answer is the dance which cockatoos were doing was the head nod. And the third question, why was lion angry? Lion was angry as the tiny mouse jumps on the sleeping lion. So I hope these 3 question answers are clear to you all. Now moving towards the 4th and 5th question. Now coming to the 4th question, that is the second last question of today's revision, children. So the 4th question is, what happened a few days later? Now this question is from chapter number 10 of the lion and the mouse. So few days later वहां पे क्या हुआ था? A few days later some hunters came to the forest to catch the lion and tied him up with a net and ropes. Okay, so what had happened to the lion? That some hunters came there to catch the lion, so they tied him up with ropes and net. Okay, उसको ropes और net के साथ में बांध दिया था. So the answer is, a few days later some hunters came to the forest to catch the lion and tied him up with a net and ropes. Clear? Now coming to the last question, that is the 5th question. How did the mouse plan to help the lion? Now how did the small mouse, tiny mouse, plan to help the lion? So the answer is, the mouse planned to bite the ropes and net with the help of his other friends. Now he planned to bite the ropes and net with the help of his friends, with the help of other mice also. So he called them all and then they bite the ropes and net all over the lion. Okay, so the mouse planned to bite the ropes and net with the help of his other friends. So I hope these 2 questions are clear to you all. Once again I am repeating, so listen to it carefully. Question number 4th, what happened a few days later? Answer is, a few days later some hunters came to the forest to catch the lion and tied him up with a net and ropes. And the last question, how did the mouse plan to help the lion? Answer is, the mouse planned to bite the ropes and net with the help of his other friends. So that is all for today, children. I hope you all have understood this revision number 1 of this month, that is February month. So I hope you all have understood it. So please watch this video very carefully and then write the revision exercises which I have given you in your revision notebooks and then learn it also. So this will be helping you for your final term examinations. So till my next video, that will be on tomorrow. So I hope you will complete all your work by today itself. So till my next video, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.